As I don't believe AJ is coming, because he's AJ.
Paul says he'll join in a bit.
We came up on that body together. It's in security. I saw someone in security on the admin table, and then I saw the camera lights weren't on, so I ran over there.
Okay. I guess then you weren't the one on cams when I was dancing in front of admin?
No, that would have been Egg, I assume.
Oh, that's a shame.
I mean, the ways the doors were closing had a very unwitty vibe, but that's just, you know.
It sounds like someone was really messing with me, because I was trying to refill engines, and I got locked all the way between, like, storage up through lower engines. Like, I never even made it up into the reactor hallway.
Okay, that's fair. I'm just saying it felt like you and doors.
Like,
Apparently,
is
I'm
that
muted.
just my thing now? Is that if doors close on you, it's unwitty? Because
Valor and
I'm
Misfire were
Guy-
together.
that kind of meta. Yes.
Guys, can we just cut this?
Teleported.
Valor and Misfire, were the two of you together? And Sivo? Were you in a group?
No.
No.
So where did you go, Valor, out of admin?
Wires. I was electrical admin and just went back into cafeteria when it got called.
You had very recently left admin right after Misfire. So you went south after that? And
No, I went
Sivo
to
and Misfire...
cafeteria.
Okay.
Wait, I passed somebody. I was doing weapons. Somebody passed me just as I was about to start it.
I think that was me.
Yeah, because Samuel and I were both on the admin table together. We left, and then I met up with Sivo in the hallway between Medbay and Upper Engine. The door to Upper Engine was locked, and we got stuck there.
Okay.
So, Mark, what was making you go to... Sivo, what was making you go to security, just out of curiosity?
I was just doing rounds.
That makes sense.
With the 10-second kill cooldown, I don't do tasks on the first round.
Oh my god, there's 10 seconds.
The first kill is always 10 seconds. There's absolutely no way to change that setting.
I know. I thought it was just like a regular kill time.
No.
Well,
With,
okay.
with 1 minute left, who haven't we heard from? Where was Pac-Man?
I started off in cafeteria, went around to the first O2 of the leaf thing, did a simple navigation tasks, and then I walked over to electrical because I have 4 different things, and I was in the middle of my second electrical.
What were you doing in CAF off the top?
Sorry? Which
What
one?
were
What's
you
the question?
what were you doing in CAF off the top? Like, what were you doing right at the beginning? You said you were in CAF?
He wasn't doing anything.
Yeah,
Oh,
we all started in CAF.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Are you
I was
playing-
doing my download.
Are you playing on a
I am
mobile,
not, no.
Pac-Man?
I am not,
Your
no.
movements
Computer.
are really weird, but you stopped.
I think it was
Weird
not
places.
Pac-Man.
No, it wasn't.
It's
I
only
can
my
confirm he
fourth
was on the
time
right
playing
side.
the
I saw him
game,
in
so-
nav and stuff.
I was just confused because I thought when
weird things being
I
a
was
new
just-
person.
I was just confused because when he's when he said he was in CAF, I thought he meant he was doing a task, and I did my download in CAF at the top, and I was gonna
No, I literally
counteract
saw
him.
He was standing still. He was standing like 3 feet to the right.
I was reading the
of
map,
table.
that's why. I was reading the map because I'm new to this.
That's fair.
That's fair.
Pac-Man is dead at the lights.
Okay.
That was my one sus too. Okay.
I was in the back of electrical, just saw Unwitty leave electrical, and then Pac-Man walked south in that direction.
And I just saw Sivo and Llama on cams up by weapons.
Yeah, I had left electrical and I was in lower engines turning back when the lights went out. But the body got called before I got back.
So, if it wasn't Unwitty, it was someone who dove in between Unwitty turning around and getting to lights.
And
That
I
was
was
possible.
and
So
I was on camera, and Sebo and Llama were on the right side of the strip.
I can confirm. I was on the right side, but I did.
Can anyone confirm Misfire was on cameras?
I don't know if it was her, but the cameras were on.
I mean, she's
Okay.
and she's placing me at the right spot, so she must be.
So, in between Balor and Unwitty.
Like, you saw me leave electrical.
I saw you walk south of the northern half of electrical, like south of that barrier towards the lights area.
Sorry. Okay, so okay.
So I had lower engines and then was going to the gas can to get the fuel, and lights went out, went into electrical, and body was dead there.
So did you go into electrical before or after the lights went out?
After they went out, I went from upper, I did the fueling in upper, went to go back to the gas can, and that's when lights went out. I feel like I would have crossed you when...
I can also confirm I saw him fueling upper
Yeah, so
engines on my way past.
Did you see me in the hallway leaving electrical then, Balor?
No, I didn't.
Call me crazy, but I think there's two killers amongst Balor, Unwitty, and Samuel, and I think the third one, or like it's Balor or Unwitty and Samuel. I could be completely crazy though.
I think that's fair. I think the
left
same
electrical
thing.
before the lights went out. And it sounds like this kill got happened in the lights out in electrical.
Or
So, Sebo, is what you're saying that kind of Samuel would be this rather safe vote here?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Why would I have
Almost
thrown
like-
sus? That would require me to have thrown sus on an ally, though, right?
Unless
If it's
Unwitty's
me and one
not
of
your
those two.
ally.
Yeah, it would most likely be Balor, Samuel, if it is Samuel, if my theory's right.
it's definitely not Balor.
But I could be entirely crazy and it's Llama, or I'm misreading Jen.
Yeah, it could
So-
be me because I don't know who was on cam.
It was me on cams. Like, there's no one
We
else
only
who's
have
counteracting
evidence
that.
of one
Jen
kill.
did- Jen
We
did
need to
do
vote
this
in
kill.
25 seconds.
And
Alright,
you
let's
guys
vote
are
Balor
maybe
Unwitty.
clearing each other, kind of semi-clearing each other.
Okay, Llama and Sivo, who do we want to
We
vote?
narrowed it down.
Guys,
I
we
think
have
one of
16
them has to be
seconds.
Balor.
Llama, Sivo, do you want to vote Unwitty or Balor?
I'm voting Unwitty.
I don't know.
It's me and Witty, so I'm voting in Witty.
I hate 8-player games.
Better than 7.
Okay, this is the two
It
votes
is,
for
but they're
blue
so
and
quick.
white.
Why did no one wait by the button? When the lights are off, we
That's
get
okay,
a
that's
free
okay.
vote.
They're not off.
They were off.
Yeah, they were off. Yeah, no, we got them.
Because if we didn't get the right one, they could have called an emergency and then they could have got a double kill, but they can't do that with the lights
I
being
think we
off.
should vote off Balor.
I actually agree. I think we should also vote off Balor.
That's that idea.
No, if we were wrong on Unwitty, a Balor vote makes sense. It was one of the two of them, I'm like 90% sure, and then we're left with a 4 with one imposter. I like this. I agree completely with you, Sevo. I'm voting Balor.
Makes
But then-
sense, but that would make sense.
And when we're on 4, we have to be hyper vigilant.
On bodies, yeah.
It's not Balor, I skipped.
Are you Balor?
Yeah, it's Balor.
Lemma, if you want to check later on the Discord pins, there's a way to put your
I'm a little wary because 2 skipped, and I voted for blue.
Lemma.
Yeah.
Just so you know, there's a pin that lets you know how to get an overlay that'll show you who's talking. for next time.
Thank you. I would like that.
Fuck you, Unwitty. I know it's you. First comms. While I'm on the admin table, because you're a jerk. I did not see Llama coming.
Oh.
I knew it was Unwitty because
I
of
didn't
the way
have
it's
a button.
screwing me. Oh, yeah.
Mm.
No one sus llama.